Almost everything you do, think, and feel is controlled by your subconscious mind. It's the part of you that operates automatically, beneath your awareness, and yet it influences your life far more than your conscious thoughts ever could. The subconscious makes up 97% of your mental activity. It's the force behind your habits, beliefs, and actions. But here's the thing, most of us don't realize how to use it to our advantage. Today, we're going to break it all down, step by step, so you can unlock this hidden power and create meaningful change in your life. Before we dive into the steps, let's take a moment to understand what the subconscious mind really is and why it's so powerful. Stick with this until the end, because every step builds on the last, creating a clear path for you to follow. What is the subconscious mind, and why does it matter? Think of your mind as an iceberg. The small tip above the water represents your conscious mind, the thoughts and decisions you're aware of. But below the surface lies the vast subconscious, storing your memories, emotions, and automatic processes. This is where habits are formed, beliefs are ingrained, and emotional reactions are triggered. It's also responsible for basic functions like breathing and digestion, running without you even noticing. Dr. Bruce Lipton, a leading expert in cell biology, explains that the subconscious mind operates like a high-speed computer, processing information far faster than your conscious mind. The problem? It doesn't analyze or question what it's been programmed to believe. It simply follows the patterns you've built over time. To change your life, you need to change this programming. 1. Early programming is where it all begins. By the time you turn 7, most of your subconscious programming is already in place. During childhood, your brain operates in a highly suggestible state, absorbing beliefs and behaviors from those around you. If you've ever been told, "You'll never succeed," or "Life is hard," those words might still be shaping your choices today. The first step to activating your subconscious mind is identifying these old patterns. Take a moment to write down the negative beliefs you've carried with you. Are they holding you back? Recognizing them is the first step toward breaking free. But awareness alone isn't enough. Once you've identified these limiting beliefs, challenge them. Ask yourself, is this really true? Often you'll find that these beliefs are based on outdated experiences that no longer apply to your current life. Replace them with empowering truths. For instance, instead of "I'm not good enough," affirm, "I have the ability to grow and succeed." This reframing process creates space for new patterns to take root. 2. Consistency changes everything. The subconscious learns through repetition. That's why habits form and why advertising slogans stick in your mind. To reprogram your mind, you need to feed it positive messages consistently. If you want to feel more confident, start saying to yourself daily, "I am confident and capable." Science shows that repeated thoughts create new neural pathways. Take 5 minutes each morning and evening to repeat affirmations that align with the life you want. Over time, these messages will become the foundation of your subconscious beliefs. Pair affirmations with action. For example, if you're affirming financial success, take small steps toward financial literacy, like reading a book on budgeting or setting up a savings plan. These actions reinforce your affirmations, making them more effective. Consistency, combined with action, transforms repetition into results. 3. Visualization, more than just daydreaming. Your mind doesn't know the difference between reality and a vividly imagined scenario. Athletes use visualization to improve performance, picturing every detail of their success before it happens. You can do the same. Close your eyes and imagine your goal as if it's already real. Picture the sights, sounds, and emotions. If you want to start your own business, visualize signing your first contract or seeing happy customers. This practice aligns your subconscious with your conscious goals, helping you stay focused and motivated. Go a step further by scripting your future. Write down a detailed narrative of your ideal day, as if you've already achieved your goals. Describe how you feel, what you're doing, and who you're with. This exercise not only clarifies your vision, but also imprints it deeper into your subconscious mind. 4. Use the power of transition states. The moments before you fall asleep and after you wake up are golden opportunities for programming your subconscious. At these times, your brain is more open to suggestions because it's in a relaxed, receptive state. Use this window wisely. Spend a few minutes repeating affirmations or visualizing your goals during these moments. For example, if you're trying to improve your health, think about how good it feels to be strong and energetic right before you drift off to sleep. Take advantage of tools like guided meditations or subliminal audio tracks designed for subconscious reprogramming. These resources can amplify the effectiveness of your practice, ensuring that your mind absorbs positive messages while you rest. 5. Free yourself from emotional baggage. Unresolved emotions can block your subconscious from working in your favor. Experiences from the past, even those you don't consciously remember, can create fear, doubt, or hesitation in your life now. For instance, a fear of failure might come from a childhood memory of being scolded for making mistakes. Techniques like journaling or the emotional freedom technique, EFT, can help you process and release these feelings. By letting go of old emotional wounds, you make space for new, empowering beliefs to take root. Another effective method is mindfulness. When negative emotions surface, don't suppress them. Instead, observe them without judgment. Acknowledge their presence and ask yourself what they're trying to teach you. Often, emotional blockages carry valuable lessons that, once learned, can set you free. 6. Build small but powerful habits. Your habits are the direct result of subconscious programming. If you want to change your life, start by changing one small habit at a time. For example, if you want to be more productive, start by dedicating just 5 minutes a day to focused work without distractions. Small actions may seem insignificant, but they create momentum. Over time, these micro habits reinforce new beliefs in your subconscious, paving the way for bigger changes. Stack your habits for greater impact. For instance, pair an existing habit, like brushing your teeth, with a new one, such as reciting affirmations. This technique, known as habit stacking, makes it easier to integrate positive changes into your daily routine. 7. Shift your inner dialogue. Negative self-talk often runs in the background, shaping your beliefs without you realizing it. Instead of fighting these thoughts, reframe them. For example, replace "I'm bad at this" with "I'm getting better every day." This practice isn't about lying to yourself. It's about focusing on progress rather than perfection. Studies in cognitive therapy show that reframing thoughts can weaken negative patterns and strengthen positive ones. To deepen this practice, keep a journal of your inner dialogue. Each day, write down any negative thoughts you notice and reframe them with positive alternatives. Over time, this habit rewires your subconscious to focus on growth and possibility. 8. Your surroundings matter. The people you spend time with and the environments you live in have a direct impact on your subconscious mind. If you're surrounded by negativity, it's harder to maintain a positive mindset. Seek out people who inspire and support you, and create spaces that make you feel calm and motivated. Even small changes, like keeping a clean desk or listening to uplifting music, can signal to your subconscious that you're ready for something better. Surround yourself with reminders of your goals. Vision boards, affirmational sticky notes, or motivational screensavers can keep your subconscious aligned with what you're striving to achieve. 9. Silence is your ally. In a noisy world, silence can be transformative. Practices like meditation give you the chance to quiet your mind and connect with your deeper self. Research shows that meditation reduces stress and improves focus, both of which are essential for accessing your subconscious. Start with just a few minutes of stillness each day. Pay attention to your breath and let your thoughts flow without judgment. Over time, you'll notice greater clarity and control over your thoughts. Experiment with different forms of meditation, such as guided imagery or body scans. Find what works best for you and make it a consistent part of your routine. This practice not only enhances mindfulness, but also strengthens your connection to your subconscious mind. 10. The simple power of gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what you have. This simple act not only improves your mood, but also reprograms your subconscious to seek more positive experiences. Each night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Be specific and heartfelt. For example, instead of saying, "I'm grateful for my job," try, "I'm grateful for the support my coworker gave me today." This practice strengthens your subconscious belief in abundance and possibility. To amplify the impact, combine gratitude with visualization. As you list what you're thankful for, picture those blessings vividly in your mind. This dual practice reinforces positive emotions and strengthens your subconscious programming. 11. Clear intentions create clear results. Your subconscious needs clear directions to guide you. Vague goals like, "I want to be happy" won't cut it. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," try, "I will lose 10 pounds in 3 months by eating balanced meals and exercising 3 times a week." Write these intentions down and review them daily. This consistency helps your subconscious focus on what matters most. Break your goals into manageable steps. This not only makes them feel achievable, but also keeps your subconscious engaged in the process. Celebrate small wins along the way to reinforce your progress. 12. Ask better questions. Questions direct your mind's focus. Instead of saying, "Why is this so hard?" ask, "What's one thing I can do to make this easier?" This shift encourages your subconscious to look for solutions rather than problems. Psychologists have found that positive, solution-focused questions activate parts of the brain associated with creativity and resilience. Use this to your advantage. Take this practice further by keeping a question journal. Each day, write down one empowering question that aligns with your goals. Reflect on it throughout the day and notice how your subconscious begins to provide answers. The subconscious mind is the hidden engine behind your thoughts, actions, and results. By understanding how it works and applying these simple yet effective strategies, you can unlock its full potential. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to a life that aligns with your deepest desires. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.